As the morning sun rises over our beautiful islands, another group of brave Fijian men and women prepare to leave home. They leave behind the laughter of their children, the embrace of their husbands and wives, the prayers of their parents, and the love of a nation. They do not leave because it is easy. They leave because peace is worth protecting. To every Fijian peacekeeper, thank you for your courage. Thank you for your sacrifice, and may God guide your every step until the day you return safely home. Brand new from DeezNuts to you. The morning sun is rising over Fiji shore. One last kiss before I walk through that departure door. My little boy says, "Daddy, when are you coming home?" I smile through the tears, though I don't really know. Mama holds my hand, says God will be your guide. My wife hides her heartbreak with a brave smile in her eyes. Every step away feels heavier than before, but duty calls my name beyond these island shores. So don't you cry if the ocean lies between. Your love is the strongest thing I've ever seen. I'll carry Fiji in my heart wherever I go, from the blue Pacific to the desert winds that blow. Though I'm wearing this uniform far from home, every prayer you whisper means I'm never alone. When the mission is over and the skies are clear, I'll come back to the ones I hold so dear. Until that day, keep believing in me. My heart never left Fiji. From DeezNuts to every soldier out there. Oh, the nights are long beneath a foreign sky, searching through the stars for the moon we share tonight. Photos in my pocket, your letters in my hand. They remind me why I'm standing where I stand. I pray for peace in a land that's torn apart, while every beat back home still echoes in my heart. Tell our children Daddy loves them every day, even when 1,000 miles keep me away.
To every soldier wearing Fiji on their chest,
You carry more than duty,
you carry more than duty.
you carry all the rest.
Oh,
The hopes of every family waiting by the sea, and the pride of every island that believes. I'll carry Fiji in my heart wherever I roam. Wherever I roam, every road I walk will always lead me home. Tell my family this sacrifice is
made with love.
the sunrise over VTC. No, a Fijian soldier was dreaming faithfully, serving for peace with courage and pride, but leaving the best part of his life behind.